Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer. Let's take a look at this GE Appliances 15,000 BTU black low profile ducted RV air conditioner system with heat pump. Now this low profile RV air conditioner is designed to give you about an additional 3 inches of clearance in roof height. And this is a 15,000 BTU unit, so this is going to do a great job of cooling those larger RVs and campers more evenly, and it's going to handle those harsh road conditions. And this is all coming from a brand name that you know and trust. This does use the more energy efficient R32 refrigerant, and so because of that, this is not going to be backwards compatible with any AC system from 2024 and earlier. This R32 refrigerant does meet the 2025 EPA regulations. And this is going to be a bolt-on installation, and it does include the hardware that you need with this kit to get this installed into place. So let's talk measurements. The overall length from back to front is about 40 inches. The overall width is about 30 inches. The overall height is going to be right at 11 inches, and it weighs about 88 pounds. And this is going to run pretty quietly for you because the motor has sound dampening grommets to help reduce that annoying humming. And this is going to be an easy swap for most RVs. It's going to seamlessly install over your roof's pre-existing roof vent opening. And this is also built tough for the road. It's built and constructed from high-grade materials that are going to do a great job of withstanding UV rays and that constant vibration. And this does feature this black, glossy, hard automotive-grade polymers. So this shroud is going to do a great job of protecting those internal components from water, debris, and things like that. And like I said, it's rigid, it's hard, so I think it's going to be very durable for you. And this does include the wiring harnesses, the wiring that you'll just pull from underneath this unit through that roof opening to get this hooked up. Now this does, as I mentioned, include a heat pump, and that's going to keep your RV or camper warm on those chilly mornings. And the heat pump works by efficiently using the heat inside the air to warm up the inside of your coach. And it's going to run efficiently as cold as 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Then at about 35 degrees Fahrenheit, this can extend your propane supply by 19 to 38% by reducing the need for you to run your furnace. But then when conditions do get too cold for the heat pump to work efficiently as it should, it will automatically switch over to your furnace. And it also features an auto defrost cycle to prevent ice buildup on the heat exchanger. Now, taking a closer look on this side of the table, let me briefly go over the components that's included with this kit. So you are going to get your air distribution box, and this is built for your ducted systems. And it's also built to handle road vibrations and everyday RV life. And then this does include this single zone thermostat. And as you can see, we have these large, easy to use buttons. You have a large display that's going to be backlit. And this is going to be easy install with the screws that come with this. And then also the fireproof control box. This is basically the brains of the operation. It manages how your AC unit operates. And then, of course, I mentioned the hardware and everything that you see here. Let me give you some measurements before I wrap this up. Going back to our air distribution box, looking at the width and the length, we're sitting at 17 5/8 inches. And then when you have this installed in your ceiling, this is going to stick down about 5/8 of an inch or so. So it's not going to take up a lot of headspace at all. When we look at our thermostat here, looking at the width and the height, it's going to be both 3.5 inches and then about an inch thick. And then our control box here, it does include the hardware to install that. This is measuring about 7.5 inches long, 6 7/8 inches wide, and about 2 3/8 inches thick. So again, this is all coming from a brand name that you know and trust, GE Appliances, the same reliability that you get from their appliances inside of your home. That's going to carry over to this RV system, this air conditioner system rather, for your RV and camper. We do also offer this unit with a white shroud and also for your ductless systems and different BTU ratings as well. So if this isn't exactly what you're looking for, I'm confident that we have what you need. But if you happen to have any other additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out because we do want to make sure that you're getting exactly what you need. Well, again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.